Welcome to the Danny's podcast on technology. I'm your host, Daniel Parente, a technologist, writer, and professor exploring innovations in the world of technology. In this episode, we'll have a forward-looking discussion about how emerging technologies across the Internet of Things ecosystem can shape the evolution of AI over the next years. The way our devices connect and share data is transforming rapidly. As more equipment, appliances, and objects get embedded with sensors and internet connectivity, they can collect and exchange information like never before. In this episode, I will unpack how these exponential leaps in interconnected devices, processing power, speed, and applications will enable artificial intelligence to become far more ambient, responsive, and human-like. We'll hear perspectives on key trends like edge computing, 5G networks, computer vision, voice interfaces, and contextual recommendation engines that promise to make AI far more accurate, efficient, and impactful. How will ubiquitous data flows between objects combined with increasingly sophisticated learning algorithms automate, elevate, and personalize our environments? I'm thrilled to explore these themes around the intersections of Internet of Things and AI advances shaping the intelligent world of tomorrow. So let's start. The way our devices connect and share information keeps evolving. We call this the Internet of Things, or IoT for short. IoT means more of the objects around us are getting hooked up to the Internet. These are things like home appliances, cars, watches, and even farming equipment. As more things link up, they can collect and swap more data than ever before. All this new data means scientists can test and train their artificial intelligence programs better too. AI is how devices seem smart or make choices on their own, like how a voice assistant can understand what you say. So today, let's talk about some key new IoT technologies that could change AI in big ways down the road. First up is edge computing. This is about processing data on the device itself, rather than sending it to servers far away. So an AI security camera could analyze what it sees right on the camera, instead of having to send images across the internet. Edge computing makes devices faster, safer, and able to work even offline. It lets AI apps work directly on those remote gadgets out there, like cars or robots. Instead of waiting, the devices can make their own quick, smart decisions immediately using AI. Next, we've got 5G networks. 5G sends data crazy fast over cell networks, faster than we've ever seen before. Researchers think AI may only reach its peak with 5G's help. That's because AI programs need tons of current quality data to get better at finding patterns or sensing things we'd miss. 5G can transport all that live data without lag, enabling AI to keep getting smarter. We've also got major advances happening in computer vision. This is about extracting useful info from images and videos. Smart cameras with AI can now count people, read license plate numbers, spot intruders, all on their own. As cameras appear more in daily life to monitor city streets, stores, or self-driving vehicles, that video feeds back valuable vision data to fuel more AI progress. Voice assistants like Siri have gotten popular over the last few years. The AI behind them focuses on language, understanding speech, and answering naturally. As voice controls spread to more IoT gadgets, AI gets to practice conversing about an ever wider range of topics. That'll help make future AI helpers even more useful when we talk to fridges, cars, and apps. Finally, smarter IoT gizmos mean your devices know your habits better each day. Recommender algorithms can then suggest things just for you, like music or shows you'll probably enjoy. They'll get to know your routes and remind you to grab gas when your car's tank is close to empty near your favorite station. More anticipating what we need, that's where hyper-connected IoT ecosystems are heading next with AI. As our discussion highlighted, the exponential growth of sensors, connectivity, and data exchanges between smart objects is setting the stage for more ambient, responsive, and humanistic AI capabilities. Advanced algorithms can increasingly interpret multiple data signals to perceive, reason, and take assistive actions in real time. Whether through visual cues, verbal conversations, or predictive recommendations, the worlds of IoT and AI are rapidly converging into a quietly intelligent infrastructure mesh designed to make life more intuitive, efficient, and elevated. We still have a way to go in responsibly building trust and value with human-centered AI. But the possibilities to transform environments into hyper-personalized spaces that anticipate needs holds tremendous potential. I encourage our listeners to reflect on the real-world use cases and breakthroughs we covered today that highlight the symbiotic innovation relationship between IoT ecosystems and artificial intelligence. Please continue this important dialogue through our podcast online to envisage how emerging technologies could shape a more helpful, hopeful future for society. Thank you for listening, and see you all in 07R next episode.